Hurricane Laura is rapidly gaining strength as it barrels toward Louisiana and Texas. Between Tuesday and Wednesday afternoon, the storm's sustained winds jumped from 75 to 140 miles per hour, a process known as rapid intensification. The major hurricane is poised to strengthen even more and make landfall Wednesday night as a Category 4 storm, just days before the 15th anniversary of Hurricane Katrina. Scientists can't definitively say whether Hurricane Laura or other individual storms are directly caused by climate change, but warming overall makes hurricanes more frequent and devastating than they would otherwise be. That's because storms feed on warm water, and higher water temperatures also lead to sea level rise, which in turn increases the risk of flooding during high tides and in the event of storm surges. Warmer air also holds more atmospheric water vapor, which enables tropical storms to strengthen and unleash more precipitation. Our confidence continues to grow that storms have become stronger, and it is linked to climate change, and they will continue to get stronger as the world continues to warm. James Kossin, an atmospheric scientist at NOAA who studies how climate change affects tropical cyclones, told The Washington Post. Here's why storms are getting so much stronger, wetter, and more frequent in the Atlantic. A member of the Emergency Operations Committee monitors the trajectory of Hurricane Laura in Santo Domingo, Dominican Republic, August 22, 2020. Ricardo Rojas ReutersHurricanes are vast, low-pressure tropical cyclones with wind speeds over 74 miles per hour. The Atlantic hurricane season generally runs from June through November, with storm activity peaking around September 10. On average, the Atlantic sees 6 hurricanes during a season, with 3 of them developing into major hurricanes Category 3 or above. The storms form over warm ocean water near the equator, when sea surface temperature is at least 80 degrees, according to the National Hurricane Center. As warm moisture rises, it releases energy, forming thunderstorms. As more thunderstorms are created, the winds spiral upward and outward, creating a vortex. Clouds then form in the upper atmosphere as the warm air condenses. As the winds churn, an area of low pressure forms over the ocean's surface. At this point, hurricanes need low wind shear, or a lack of prevailing wind, to form the cyclonic shape associated with a hurricane. Cyclones start out as tropical depressions, with sustained wind speeds below 39 miles per hour. Once wind speeds pass that threshold, the cyclone becomes a tropical storm. Then above 74 miles per hour, the storm is considered a Category 1 hurricane on the Saffir-Simpson scale. Samantha Lee, Business Insider. So far this year, the Atlantic Ocean has produced a record 13 tropical storms in just 3 months. 3 have become hurricanes: Hanna, Isaias, and Laura.